So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Reddit GIFs not loading, app cache, DNS and autoplay setting. So for Android mobile app, fix one is toggle the autoplay setting. Open the Reddit app, tap your profile icon top right, select setting bottom, the autoplay and select never. Close the Reddit app completely, then reopen the app, return to the autoplay setting and change it back to always. Second fix is clear the app cache. Open your phone main setting app, tap apps, find the select Reddit, tap storage, tap clear cache. Third fix is turn off phone data saver. Open your phone main setting app, tap network and internet, then select data saver. For iOS, fix 1 are toggle the autoplay setting, open the Reddit app, tap your profile icon, select setting, tap autoplay and never select. Force close the Reddit app, then reopen the app and go back to autoplay and change it to back to always. Second fix is turn off low data mode. Open your iPhone main setting app, tap Wi-Fi or cellular, tap the eye icon next to your network name or tap cellular data option. Turn the toggle next to low data mode to off. Third fix is reinstall the app. Tap and hold the Reddit app icon on your home screen, select remove app and tap delete app. Open the app store, select search for Reddit and download it again. For desktop web browser like Chrome, Edge, Safari and Firefox, fixes are perform a hard refresh. Open your browser to the Reddit page where the GIF is broken. Window user, press Ctrl plus F5 at the same time. Mac user, Command plus Shift plus R at the same time. Second fix is test in an incognito or private window. Window user, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to open a private window. Mac user, Command plus Shift plus N or Command plus Shift plus P for Firefox. Go to Reddit and check it the GIF load. Third fix is clear browse cache. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus delete in Windows or Command plus Shift plus delete in Mac while your browser is open. Set the time range to all a time. Check the box next to cached image and file. Uncheck cookies if you do not want to be logged out your website. Click clear data. Thanks for watching.